Hello everybody, it's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's August the 22nd, Tuesday, and these are the charts of the day. Well, it was a turnaround Tuesday, but it was a turn down Tuesday. Many stocks did okay, but the stock market itself did not. Let's start off with a couple of bullish looking charts. ACMR, which broke out of a coil and through a double top today, popped about $1.04, 7.5%. And with good volume too. So this stock may start to surge. Let's keep an eye on it. Over 15 3/4 resistance, target 19. APLS, well, it came down pretty hard, as you know. Bounced for V bottom with a right-handed extension. Today was a special day for it. After hours today, positive news. The stock popped from under 30 to 43. Traded last about 40.84 and still trading. Nice V bottom with a right-handed extension. My target now, 53. ASAN been popping off the bottom of the channel after a large corrective type consolidation. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 to me. Fifth wave target 28. AXSM popped out of a falling wedge as well and spiked from 71 to 79, finished 76 1/4, up more than 5 points. We can get extension here. Your targets are 83 and 92. CLDX are swaying with an inverse head and shoulder and a nice 1, 2, 3, 4. May have started wave 5, as you can see today, popping about 5.5%. If we can get this up through 1520, my targets are 18 and 24. FN Fabrinet with a huge major breakaway gap on strong earnings report, jumped 32.21 on 21.5 million shares and broke out to new all-time highs. At this point, taking a look at the long-term angle of ascent, this calls for a move for me to nearly 200. Let's call it 195 over the next few weeks and months. Fulcrum, big pop today on strong sickle-cell anemia drug news. Popped right to the gap and backed off. Next target, if it does get into the gap, about 8 and then 9. GCT, we talked about it the other day. It's acting very well, rounding bottom, broke out yesterday, and followed through today. Now looking for a move to mid-range around 17. 14 and 17 are your targets. HAS, nice pop today. Big, well, maybe an inverse head and shoulders, but it broke through the highest level since last October. And now I have a target of 73 and 77. MTRX popped out at gap resistance. My next target is going to be about 9.5 if it runs beyond here. Novavax, big base, breakout move the last 2 days, really good volume today. 28.3 million shares, up 14%. Short-term target, about 10, 15, 20. Then I'm looking for 11.5, 12, and then 14. SLRN, beautiful rising channel, recent IPO. The stock looks higher. I'm currently a target around 30, 31 zone. TSAT, a swing trade, exploded yesterday, followed through today. Got as high as 20, nearly 21, finishing 1980 up 107 or 5.7%. I like this for an extension to 23.5. ULBI broke out of the wedge. We immediately put a swing on it and ran 2 points after that, nearly 2 points, by 880 to 1040. Today up 30%, thinly traded, 3/4 million traded on it, which is the best in a month. Now looking for 11.5, 12. Finding VTEX, breaking out of a large base pattern from the coil or falling wedge. Broke out of that today with a big thrust. 1.9 million shares for the stock. Channel top target now 6 3/4, 7. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com tonight. Have a great evening.